Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to go live on WeChat. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. The next thing you need to do is to click on Discover. The next thing you need to do is to click on Channels. The next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon from the top corner right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on Go Live right here. Then right here, make sure you click on Live. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on Live right here. Once you click on Live, position your camera and start your live streaming on your WeChat channel. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use WeChat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.